What's up guys, welcome back to Bombay Boy Who Pedals and to the ride and review of the BMW Cruise Bike Generation 4. BMW is one of the oldest and largest manufacturers of luxury vehicles and motorcycles in the world. Now this is some trivia that most of us are aware of. But what will come as a surprise to you guys is the fact that BMW has also been manufacturing bicycles for the past 60 years under their lifestyle division. Before we begin, I just want to quickly make it clear to all of you all that this isn't one of those cheap Chinese-made folding BMW branded bikes you so easily find on the internet. This bike is absolutely legitimate and is manufactured by BMW themselves. So with that out of the way, let's get after the specs. At the heart of the bike is an eccentric yet beautiful aluminium frame that has been developed by Designworks, a subsidiary of BMW. The frame is extremely well built and lightweight at the same time, with subtle design cues all over the place that truly make this bike stand out when compared to regular brand bikes. Not to mention the incredibly gorgeous frozen blue paint job that this particular bike comes with, which is well above industry standards. The fork on the bike is developed by BMW Designworks as well, and is an aluminium rigid fork that comes in the same color as the frame. The fork comes with interesting design cues similar to the frame and comes with disc brake post mounts. Now the type of drivetrain system on the bike is quite unique and is slowly becoming quite popular amongst commuters and bikepackers. The BMW Cruise Bike comes with a Nexus 7-speed internal geared hub drivetrain by Shimano, which falls under their urban line of components. Internal geared hub systems enclose the entire gear mechanism inside the rear hub, hence making for a much more weather-resistant drivetrain. So to sum it up, what you get is a Nexus single-speed crank with a 38-tooth chainring, spinning around a square tapered threaded bottom bracket, a Shimano Nexus chain that comes with an anti-corrosion treatment for longer life, a Shimano Nexus 7-speed internal geared rear hub that comes with a center lock disc brake mount, and a Shimano Alpine single fixed pulley chain tensioner. Before moving forward, I'd also like to tell you guys that this drivetrain comes with a gear range of 244%, which is definitely not a lot, making it and this bike more suitable for city commutes. The wheelset on the bike is primarily by Roddy and comprises of 28-inch Roddy Airline 32-hole alloy rims, black oxidized round 2mm spokes and brass nipples also by Roddy, with the Shimano Tourney center lock hub up front and a Shimano Nexus 7-speed internal geared hub in the rear. The rubber on the bike is provided by Continental, and what you get is a pair of 28x2-inch cruise contact tires. While the stopping power on the bike comes from a pair of Shimano MT200 brakes with a 180mm rotor in the front and a 160mm rotor in the back. Amongst other components, you get a set of alloy handlebars with a pair of Ergon GE1 lock-on grips, a 100mm rise adjustable alloy stem, a semi-integrated FSA headset, a 30.9mm seat post and clamp, and to finish things off, a black Selle Royale Freccia saddle. Now we come to ride quality and handling, and the BMW Cruise Bike does a pretty decent job at that. Riding this bike through city streets is a pleasurable experience, thanks to a well-built frame that comes with geometry that leans more towards comfort. The Shimano Nexus hub shifts through gears quite efficiently, and even allows you to change gears without pedaling, thus making it an absolute winner in those start-stop heavy traffic situations. The slick Continental tires come with low rolling resistance, making them perfect for city roads. While the bomb-proof Shimano MT200 brakes add a certain level of safety and dependability to the bike. So overall, in terms of ride quality and handling, I would say this bike is above average. But the place where the BMW Cruise Bike Generation 4 truly shines is in its build quality. Because what you get is a well-built frame and excellent components that will last you a very long time and require very less maintenance. And to wrap things up, the weight of the BMW Cruise Bike Generation 4 is a very respectable 13 kilos, while the price is 1,08,747 rupees as listed on the BMW India website. And in case you are looking to purchase this bike, make sure you call Mr. Ajay at Shaurya Cycles. He will definitely help you out. So that was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the bike in the comments below. Also, before you tune out, make sure you like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is Bombay Boy Who Pedals. Bye bye.